I have a Samsung Galaxy S23, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to change the screen resolution. So what you need to do is go into settings. On the main settings page, go to display, tap on that, and then go to screen resolution and tap on that. Now, there are three main resolutions you can choose from. We have HD plus, you have full HD, and then you have WQHD, which is the highest resolution, which is basically just like 4K. Okay, so the middle is the sweet spot between high clarity and high resolution and saving battery. Okay, so if you prefer to have the HD plus and save even more battery life, then you can choose that. That's going to be slightly lower resolution, still usable, still good enough. If you look at it, it's still extremely good. Or you can choose the default, which is a sweet spot, just higher resolution but still not draining too much battery. Or you can go for the full resolution. Okay, and with that full resolution is obviously very clear, but it comes at a cost, and that cost is usually battery life. Okay, so select the resolution you want and then tap on apply, and that's going to change the screen resolution to the highest maximum screen resolution. And that's basically how to change the resolution of your screen on the Samsung Galaxy S23. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.